Hey guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your TuneIn radio app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just go down. You click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here. Then you just go down to looking for TuneIn radio app here. So you go down. When it's going to show for you, then you click on it. So like this, you click on TuneIn radio and you come to this list. You click here on first stop, then you click on OK, then you go down here, click here on storage. So and you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store. So you click on your Play Store, then you search for TuneIn radio. It's going to show for you like this, and you will find here update. You just click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.